afternoon, Peppa and George were playing outside.
Mummy Pig heard a noise.
It's the ice cream truck.
Sugar Queen was the ice cream lady.
I want strawberry ice cream, said Peppa, and I want blueberry.
£1, please.
So Peppa and George took their ice creams. The end.